My territory is from California. We go everywhere from Southern California up to Northern California, concentrating around the Bay Area. We go from rapid repairs to now concentrating on EV. We have 2 EV only centers, but we do mainly insurance production work. The reason why we use Carliner is the ease of use. With the technicians, especially new technicians coming in, I can have them up and trained within about a half a day. There's no other system out there that you can do training with that in that short amount of time. My favorite Carliner product is probably the CTR9 with spot welders. It's one of the ones that we're heavy use. We probably do more cycles than the average shop. And again, it's just a beast. It just does not break. It can keep up with the heat and the moving through the major projects we're working on. Also like to comment on the measuring system too. It's no longer individual targets. You have the arm, and basically you can have someone watch you for about 10 minutes, and then you can step away and they can actually measure a system. And again, I don't know many measuring systems. Once you put the arm on, you can have it fully measured in less than 10 minutes. It's just absolutely amazing.